So here, this is a problem. Okay, let's put in here the wrench so easy to access. I turn it the engine there, see, it's turning, but that one is didn't. See the engine ready for the top. I take off the intake and everything, the wiring corners disconnected. Take off the radiator, disconnect the power steering pump, disconnect the AC unit. Stay there. So tomorrow is a plan. Lifted up the car and take off the front differential, the shafts, torque converter bolts, and the exhaust, and the engine is ready to come out. One more thing, the customer was here today, so we're just talking about there is a new timing. You see there, there is a new timing for that kind of engine. We replaced the timing, and this is how we put it back, the new engine, the other engine. Either way, because we need to replace the whole oil pan, because that engine came from a 535 diesel. So, and you know, have a couple years of difference, so that kind of engine just a little bit different. That one is I think it's called N57T1, and this is a N57T2. So I think so. I'm not 100% sure, but this one I'm 100% sure is a N57T2. So, and that one is a little bit different. It's so let's see tomorrow, man. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. So I will make the video how to make the diesel timing. So so the little simple job, this is how it's coming a little bit difficult job. But a European course in America. There you go, guys. Let's go do that. One engine, that is the old one. That will be go in. So I just take it out. Sorry, that's raining outside. Here is how it looks like. Awesome. X5. So I call this one today. I will start rebuild the timing on that one. Need to change the wiring corners also. So tomorrow, bang! Let's go clean up a little bit of this sucker because it's diesel. Okay, let's go do that. Yay. This one needs to be cleaned too. So here, that's it, how I clean. Ready? So time to clean up the floor too, because on diesel it's a lot of shit just all the time. One thing, so when you do clean engine and the car like this, when you're a mechanic, you see a lot of places go in the oil. So this is an old engine. We'll take apart, so it doesn't matter go in the water, but still I blow it with the air. Okay. Otherwise, don't do like an idiot. Okay. If the intercooler go in the water, you need to take it off the intercooler on the later and just clean it. Okay, don't suck any oil, any water, any blah 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 bullshit. Okay, that is important. So don't do like a freaking idiot. Here is a differential. It's going some water. It doesn't matter. I will drain it everything because you need to take off on the the whole assembly. So take off. I will drain it and go in fresh oil. So don't be like an idiot, okay? This is not dangerous. And I start to take apart on this engine right now, just the next 30 minutes, okay? So after you wash it, just do it like this. So just the air. I started broke down and start take apart to the bolt of the engine, because this part need the wiring harness, the cover, the timing cover, and the differential and the oil pan, differential and the oil pan. Install on this, and this one have a new timing. Need install and take off the wiring harness, valve cover, and blah 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 bullshit. So let's go do that. Okay, so first take it off the differential. Actually, it's not biggie. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. very long. There you go. Easy. Just put it aside. The axles is go through to the oil pan. They have a rear oil ring seal, and the other side, the extension pieces have a ring seal too. So after that, disconnect the couple of wires and take it off the whole oil pan. E10. So just take off the bolts. Let's go. Take it out. The last bolts. Oh my goodness, check it out. That is broke. Man, there is oil pan. You see that the oil chain is just fall down. So check. Timing chain just falling down. There you go. That is broken. This was a issue with this engine. There's a timing chain piece. Put it in the box. That's it. The oil pump chain was good, but the other chain, the oil pump chain, it's also the loose. So this is how it look like when it's have a 200,000 miles in it. So here is the oil pan. Okay, this was an important part from this engine. We'll be take off the cover, but the timing cover. But I need to take off the pulley and the valve cover. The valve cover, because it's have a couple of special things. And let me check. It's coming one box. So I will show you right now what kind of tool is coming in. Here is one of the important thing. There's injectors all the way. So don't forget, you need to mark it, and you take off the little nuts like here. Take off the little nuts right here, and usually that is stuck. So you don't need a special tool, but the first you need to try use a screwdriver and on this way and try to pry out. But sometimes it didn't want to move, so don't break it, don't do that, nothing. I show you what is a trick. So here, this is whereas yeah, that one E5, and just start screw out, see, and it's lifted up the injector, so you don't need to break anything. And this came out and still stuck a little bit, and after you can use the screwdriver and just pry out. So here is how it look like. Okay, so don't make a mistake, so don't forget, just mark it which one cylinder you take it out. Okay, that was. So here when you take it out, just clean a little bit. This one doesn't matter, it's the same everywhere. This one, And here on the top side, you can mark it. Just grab the marker and just mark it. This is cylinder 1, so put it on a 1 dot and that's it. It's simple. Yeah, like that. Just put there 1. This is cylinder number 1. Okay, here we are. This one just came in today. I hope this is a timing tool for the BMW diesel engine. Man, almost we are a diesel, not the diesel, we are almost the BMW shop. We got all the tools. See, this one came from eBay. You can order this one for $25, but this came from China, and right now you need to wait for a month. So I spend a little bit more money, but look, look here, we don't need this. So this is how the diesel toolkit look like. Don't forget subscribe, hit the like button, thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I put something on Twitter too, okay? So always do something, man. Do something, man.